So today we are in Roi Yot in Thailand, and we're going to Phraya Nakhon Cave, which is beautiful cave with stunning pavilion inside. And it's not gonna be our first time. We've been there 2 years ago, so we will see what's different, how we can get there, if we will rent a boat or we will go on foot. And it's gonna be amazing experience. It's my favorite pavilion or temple here in Thailand. We are almost at Phraya Nakhon Cave. We are about, I don't know, 2 kilometers from there, and there is little obstruction. There is some construction on the road, and we cannot cross this bridge or this road, and we need to find some other way to get there. It's just little complication and we will go there. We will get there for sure. We just need to find a way. It was just a little detour. We just missed the sign where we should turn, and it was basically nothing. There was just some wooden bridge we had to cross, which was very fun. We didn't fall, which is good, as always. And oh my god, someone is cooking some really spicy food and the fumes went into my mouth. So I started coughing, but good. We love spicy. And the entry fee to national park is 200 baht for adult and 100 baht for child. And you can use it all over national park of Roi Yot in one day. So if you have a chance to go to Phraya Nakhon Cave and then to the lake, you can do it with just one ticket. And there is a boat which can take you there, which costs 400 baht, and it will take you to the beach where the path to Phraya Nakhon Cave starts. Or you can walk on your feet. I think it's about 20 minutes walk through the forest, through some hills, and you will get to the same place as a boat. But I think we will take a boat because it's not gonna be so tiring for the little one. So you have to walk a little bit to reach your boat. Our boat is number 49. Such a helpful people. Kapunka!
From the shore, we take a boat across the bay toward Laem Sala Beach. This is the starting point for the hike to Phraya Nakhon Cave. It's our second visit, but the rainy season changes the mood. It's much quieter and greener.
We reached the beach of Roi Yot National Park. There are a lot of seashells here, and in compare with the other time we were here, it was in April 2 years ago. The water is not that warm. Before, the water was like 40 degrees. It was really like a hot tub, and it's refreshing. It's very nice. It's very nice. So I think we will start our walk up to the cave. Maybe we will see some monkeys as well. Hopefully. Fingers crossed.
He's flying up the hill full of energy, and few steps behind, breathing hard. Then we look up and realize we're being watched. Dusky langurs just hanging out above us.
Now we need to descend down to the cave, and there will be a beautiful pavilion waiting for us. So let's go. We are right in front of the entrance into the main part of the cave where the pavilion is. And there is such a nice cool breeze.
Inside the cave, the temperature drops and the sound fades away. The pavilion sits in the center, lit by natural light from above. Even on a second visit, the place still feels special.
We made it up to the cave and back to the beach. It's always such an amazing experience to go there, right?
Yes.
It's challenging
Yeah.
to climb up.
It is.
Yes, but you were fast as a light.
Yeah.
You were so fast, and we
As
made
a
it
train, I was fast.
fast as a train.
Yes.
Okay, you were fast as a train, and I needed to catch my breath.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now we are having some refreshment. I have coconut,
Yeah, and I have watermelon juice.
your favorite, right? And on our way up and back, we saw these dusky langurs. They are so amazing. They were just jumping on the trees, and it was so nice to see them. Because last time we didn't see them, we didn't have chance to see them, and this time was really special. And we made only
and
two
a
stops.
cell.
Yeah, we made only two stops on our way up to have some water, and he wanted to go, so he was really fast. I think everybody can do it. He did it when he wasn't even 4 years old. So if you don't have
I will go to the sand.
to the beach, go. You
Yeah.
can go. So I guess if you don't have any medical issue, you can do it. If you have a healthy pair of legs and you don't have any heart issues, I think you can make it. You can make it. Even small kids with few breaks during the way up. And it's so beautiful to go there. The pavilion is stunning. It has amazing light in the cave, and there are some rock formations which you can see. Uh, my boy thought that one of them looked like a giant, like a stone giant. The other one there is a dry waterfall, and it's amazing. It's really beautiful. I really recommend going there if you are here in Roi Yot.
Laem Sala Beach is perfect for slowing down. We play in the sand, rest in the shade, and take our time. With a restaurant right on the beach, there's really no reason to rush anywhere else.
Sand cake!
The beach takes up the whole afternoon. By evening, we're tired in the best way. And that's when the lights come on and the night market takes over.
The end of our adventurous day couldn't be better. There is a night market in some Roi Yot. It's Saturday. It's every Saturday. There is a night market on the beach. So we bought some food, and right behind me there is a jumping castle and trampoline. So guess who's gonna go there? And we really enjoyed this day. We enjoyed some Roi Yot so much. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.